Starting with the 2020 release of Autodesk Inventor, the Extrude dialog has been totally re-engineered. The new Extrude dialog box is actually part of our panel interface. And what this means is that we have more options when creating extrusions. So let's have a look. If we go and select a profile, we now have the ability to edit the original sketch that profile came from without exiting the Extrude environment. So what I can do is I can click on this line over here that was previously projected as a construction line, and I can turn it into a normal line. What that means is when I go back into the extrusion over here, if I clear my original selection, I now have additional profiles that I can select. So we can select this profile over here and set a size for it. And rather than finishing this extrusion, I can now click on the plus box down the bottom. And in doing so, I can add an additional feature without going out of the extrusion dialog box, and I haven't had to go and share a sketch or turn on sketch visibility. So we can now add a cutout of 0.5 millimeters. The beauty of this is that I can even rename the feature that I'm about to create by clicking on it up the top over there. So where it says extrude, I can now put in a new name. So we can call this O-ring cutout. And as soon as I say OK, that new name will display in the browser next to the feature. And there we go. The new Extrude dialog box allows us to do more with less clicks and to be more productive in Inventor.